Hi, so we're looking at how to solve mathematics question faster. Normally, maths question can be solved fast if you can do it orderly, and a lot of questions can be done orderly. So I'll be looking at some methods, but if you can do the same methods orderly, great. So Ramesh spends 800 on an average per month in the first 8 months. So 800 in the first 8 months, and here take a loan. Then in the next 4 months, they reduce the monthly expense for free. So they're given all expenses in his year. So what has he spent in the year? 6,400 plus 1,800, which if you add it up becomes 8,200. This is expenses. His saving is 200, which means his income is nothing but 8,200 plus 200. 8,400 is his income. 8,400 is income for 12 months. So automatically per month the income will be 700 rupees. That will be the answer. You need to be good at calculations also for doing it mentally. Mathematics, simple calculation, if you can do it fast, it will help. A deposit every year in a bank beginning from 3. So rupees A was deposited for 3 successive years. So you deposit in the start A. So here you'll get interest for 3 years. Then you again deposit A. Here you'll get interest for 2 years. Then again you deposit A. You'll get interest for 1 year. So totally you will get interest for 6 years. So what is the interest? PNR upon 100, which is A into 6 years into 10 upon 100, which if you look at is 0.68. That means the total amount in his bank is already 3A, which he deposited, plus interest of 0.6A, which will give you 3.6A. So first A he gets 3 years interest, second A he gets 2 years interest, third A he gets 1 year interest. So totally he gets 6 years interest, which becomes 0.6A. So from there we can make out the answer will be 3.6A. Cost of manufacturing is partly fixed and partly variable. When a company manufactures 200 items, the cost price is rupees 50. So let's say if it's 200 items, so total cost is 200 into 50, which is 10,000. If you manage 300, total cost is 12,000. So that means when you increase by 100, the cost increases by 2,000, which will be because of the variable cost. So if it increases by further 200, his cost will increase by 4,000, double, right? 100 to 200 is double. So here also the cost will increase by double, 4,000, which means it will become 16,000. So for 500 units, 16,000. So that means 16,000 upon 500 per unit price will be 32 rupees. D option. That will be the answer. So it is a variable cost, fixed cost type of sum. This is the way you can represent and get the answer quick. The mark price of article is 8,500. The three successive discounts of 20, 10 and 20 were given. And you want the equivalent discount. Normally when the answer is percentage, you need not take the value. You can directly take percentage and solve. You can start with 100x if you want. Let the price be 100x. So first you give 20% discount, so price becomes 80x. And then you give 10% discount, the price becomes 72x. Then you again give 20% discount. Again you have to be good at calculating 10% and 20%. 10% of 72 is 7.2. So 20% will be double of that, 14.4. So totally the discounts is 20x, 8x plus 14.4x. If you look at add it up, it becomes 42.4x. So 100x, if you get 42.4x discount, which is 42.4%. That will be the answer. Machine A, B, and C manufacture 100 units in 5 hours, 10 hours, and 15 hours. So this is a work type of something. There are many ways of solving it. So one way of solving is percentage. Okay. Another is by LCM method. So be comfortable whatever methods you are can solve. So that's how it should go over. Now if you look at percentage method, so when you say 5 hours, which means you solve complete 20% per hour. 10 hours is basically 10% per hour, and 15 hours is basically you say 100 upon 15, which is 6.66% per hour. Here he works for 2 hours, A, B, C. B works for 2, which means he does 20% of the work. So rest 80% of the work is done by A and C, which is 26.66%. So in 1 hour, so 80% in how many hours? If you solve it, you get 3 hours. 26.66 into 3 gives you 80. So 3 hours. So that means from 8 a.m. they work for 3 hours. It'll be 11 a.m. That will be the answer, right? You can also do it in amount of units of work they complete, which will be same sort of thing, and then solve it. That is also possible, right? That is so 5, 10, 15. So take the LCM of 5, 10, 15. So will become, let's say, 150. So first one does 15, 30 units, second one does 15 units, and last one does 10 units per hour. This is how you can solve, or you can take LCM as 30, whichever you're comfortable. 5, 10, 15, even 150 will give you the answer. Okay, this is 3 units of work, this is 6 units of work, and this is 2 units of work. So this 3 units of work is done for 2 hours. So 6 units of work is completed by B.